Today we will tell you how to replace iPhone 13 back glass. Put the mobile inside the laser machine. Now let the laser machine finish its work until you have to wait and watch.
Now it's crunch time. Now we have to clean the surface of the mobile properly, where we need to put the back glass. Now put the thin glue layer on mobile surface so the back glass will be placed properly. You have to be very patient while doing all the steps to replace the back glass. If you do anything in hurry, it will be harmful for the mobile. So watch the video till end until all the steps have been done carefully and the mobile back glass is placed properly. Now I am going to place the back glass of iPhone 13. And yes, it's done now. You can see, have a look, everything is placed properly. iPhone 13 is ready